If you are trying to outperform AI at execution, you are already behind. The shift isn't about working faster, it's about changing roles. Most employees treat AI like a rival. That's the wrong frame. AI is infrastructure, like electricity, like the internet. You don't compete with infrastructure, you build on top of it. Anyone can use AI tools. Very few people design workflows around them. The value is shifting from usage to orchestration, from operator to architect. Instead of writing every report manually, you design a reporting system powered by AI. Instead of doing analysis line by line, you structure prompts, guardrails, and review logic. Execution becomes automated. Judgment remains yours. Choose one recurring task. Automate it aggressively, not halfway, fully, even if it makes you uncomfortable. This forces you to redesign your role upward. Most executives don't deeply understand AI. Most operators don't understand strategy. Become the bridge. Translate business problems into AI workflows. Translate AI outputs into business decisions. Bridges are valuable. If AI produces the output, but you own the decision, you become more important, not less. Ownership of outcomes is harder to automate than production of deliverables. Volunteer for projects with unclear paths. Ambiguity is difficult to model, difficult to automate, difficult to outsource. The clearer your workflow, the easier your replacement. When execution becomes cheaper, leverage becomes more valuable. One person directing AI can now produce the output of 5. Position yourself to be that person. The safest professionals in the next 5 years won't be the hardest workers. They'll be the best multipliers. AI is not your threat. Remaining an executor is. You can't stop the shift, but you can decide whether you are automated or amplified. That choice is still yours. If you enjoyed this, click on the icon and make sure you don't miss the upcoming chapters.